You searched how to buy shares of ABC Arbitrage SA. ABC Arbitrage SA is a firm focused on quantitative trading and arbitrage listed on Euronext under the ticker ABCA.PA. This video is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the typical process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and then add funds to your account. Use the platform search field and type the ticker ABCA.PA to find the exact listing. Make sure you select the result that matches ABC Arbitrage SA on Euronext. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movements. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. Tap Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens. If you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order completes. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring and management. Check the description for the link if you want to follow the same example on eToro.